Hello listeners, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to study on the topic and also we need to see how it's adapting to the changing landscape. Now, the automobile industry is a driving force for the economy, while its performance often reflecting the overall health of the nation. Now, India is home to the world's third largest automobile industry, producing 28.43 million vehicles in the financial year 2023-2024. India's auto sector has undergone a significant transformation, moving from the two-wheeler dominated market to the rapid shift towards the electric vehicles, exactly the EVs. Let's explore the current market size, opportunities, challenges, and global sentiment surrounding the India's automobile industry. Now, current market size of the India's automobile sector. India holds a strong position in heavy vehicle manufacturing, ranking as the world's largest tractor producer. Exactly. Second largest bus manufacturer and third largest heavy truck producer. In financial year 2023, India had produced 25.9 million automobiles, which increased to 28.43 million in the financial year 2024. The sector contributes 7.1 percentage to the India's GDP, that is India's gross domestic product, and directly and indirectly employs about 19 million people in the auto industry. According to a June 2024 report by the DPIIT, the automobile sector has attracted 5.27 percentage of total foreign direct investment inflows. Along with its presence in traditional categories, India is making significant strides in the EV sector. The EV market in India is projected to reach $113.99 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 66.52%. Additionally, the hybrid car market is expanding rapidly. From January to July 2024, hybrid car sales, both strong and plug-in versions, rose by 27%, reaching 51,897 units compared to the 40,811 units in the same period last year. Now, we need to see what are the challenges faced by the traditional auto manufacturers. Despite India's robust automobile industry, major urban centers such as Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Calcutta, they are grappling with severe air pollution, with vehicular emissions significantly contributing to the poor air quality. And according to the IEA, around 12% of the CO2 emission in India are due to road transport, making the government actions to combat air pollution crucial for this sector. Also, India imports 85% of its crude oil requirements, making it vulnerable to fluctuation in the global oil prices. Rising oil prices, driven by the geopolitical tensions, impose additional financial burden on the consumers, prompting them that they should shift from the public transport or alternative fuel-based vehicles. Now, what are the issues plaguing the electric vehicle industry? The electric vehicle EV industry faces several significant challenges. Now, the first challenge in the EV sector is lack of charging infrastructure. One of the main barriers to the EV adoption is the lack of charging infrastructure, especially in the rural and the remote areas. This leads to range anxiety among consumers, fearing of running out of power with no charging stations nearby. The government plans to build around 46,397 EV charging stations in 9 cities by 2030 to address this issue. So yes, there's a problem, and also the government is looking for the solution. Now, the second problem for the EV is the high cost. The initial cost of purchasing the EVs remains higher than that of conventional petrol and diesel vehicles, primarily due to expensive batteries. Also, the India's reliance on imports to meet the domestic battery demand exacerbates this issue. Developing a robust domestic battery manufacturing sector is essential to overcome this challenge and also to lower the cost of EVs. Third point is the awareness. Many consumers are unaware of the benefits, maintenance, and functionality of the electric vehicles, leading to skepticism among potential buyers. To raise the awareness, the government has launched the Electric Mobility Promotion Scheme with an outlay of around 500 crores from April to July 2024, aiming to generate the interest in the EVs. But with the recent problems with the Ola EVs, electric vehicles, there is a concern where the public is not trusting the EV, but still the government is coming up with these schemes where the government is spending 500 crores so that they can generate the awareness and make the confidence among the consumers. Next thing is the automobile exports from India. India is one of the world's largest automobile exporters. Yes, you heard it right. In financial year 2024, India exported 4.5 million vehicles, a 5.5% decline from financial year 2023's 4.76 million units due to the global economic crisis. The export of commercial vehicles, two-wheelers and three-wheelers dropped significantly. However, passenger vehicles exports provided some relief to the India, growing by 1.4% from 6,62,703 units in financial year 2023 to 6,72,105 units in financial year 2024. Now, India continues to solidify its position as a major auto export hub. Now, what are the government initiatives to boost the automobile sector? So, the several government initiatives are production linked incentive scheme, that is the PLI scheme. The Ministry of Heavy Industries has launched the PLI scheme to promote the domestic manufacturing of automobiles and auto components with a budget of rupees 25,938 crore for the 5 years starting from financial year 2023 to financial year 2027. In the January 2024, the government extended the scheme's tenure to March 2028. Exactly. From 5 years, they have extended to now 6 years. Now, the second thing the government is doing is the FAME 2 scheme. This is launched to promote the production and sale of electric vehicles. This scheme has a total budget of rupees 10,000 crores. Initially set for 2019-2022, it was extended to March 2024. As of January 2024, 5,790 crores in subsidies has been distributed for supporting the sale of 1.34 million electronic vehicles, the EVs. Next thing is the semiconductor manufacturing. The government is investing heavily in domestic semiconductor production to overcome the global chip shortage that has hampered the automobile production. 3 semiconductor units are currently under construction. Now, what are the top performing automobile stocks that we can watch? So first one is the Tata Motors, which has grown 36.21% in 1 year, and in 3 years they have given a return of 78%. Talking about the Mahindra and Mahindra company, the 1 year return of the company is 94.85%. Maruti Suzuki's return is 15.69%. Hero MotoCorp return is 70.78%. Bajaj Auto 128% it has increased in 1 year. Ashok Leyland company has increased by 27.26%. Here we are talking about the shares just for the information purpose, and we do not want to basically suggest any of the stocks that you should buy. It is according to your preference what shares you prefer. Now, what's next? The future growth of India's automobile sector hinges on several factors. First is the including access to the skilled labor, research and development investment, and the low cost availability of materials like steel. Disruptions to any of these factors could cause the turbulence for the sector, impacting its momentum. The government is actively supporting the industry with a strong focus on alternative fuel vehicles. The vehicle scrappage policy of 2021 and India's Bharat NCAP safety assessment program highlights the government commitment to innovation and sustainability in the auto sector. So, that's it for today. We hope you have found this article informative. Remember to spread the word among your friends until we meet again. Stay curious. Do like our video. Also, share the videos with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.